Starting this motherfucking bitch, and we gonna talk our shit right now. Yeah, let's get it. Tats all on me, look like MGK, going in like a ball for UVA. In 2019, motherfuckers can't even go that hard. They just need another Gill. Ops B, Anthony Gill, playing on the fucking court in the MB fucking A. I just know these fucking bitches play for the WNBA. With the way that they talk, I don't really give a shit. Only making 65K, I don't really feel it. Yeah, you ain't got that putting on shit you think you do. You ain't really ballin' with me, and I know it's true. Everything I do is a motherfucking hit. I'ma go into my heart stops beating. I'm feeding the motherfucking youth with the truth. Zipping on this 1800 motherfucking proof. Spitting like I just made a proof from MIT. I gotta get a 3 million G's. If I'm really being real with my motherfucking G's, we gotta get it up when it comes to cheese. Can't be this chillin' in the motherfucking breeze, cause I'm just tryna ball with some bitches and believe. I just made everyone just fucking sneeze, cause you know I'm so cold with the fucking ice. Running routes like my name be Jerry Rice. Ops ballin' like old age, oldie pull the nice. They ain't even nice as me, they can't even catch up. I was just doing this shit, hot dog and ketchup. It was so easy, sound like 07 Weezy, cause I'm just chillin' in Belize with some bitches who just wanna please. Couple of them got double D's. They like smoking on trees. That ain't for me, that ain't for me. I love living most of my life sober. I only drink on the fucking weekend. I feel like R. Kelly, I'm getting my freaking, but it's with bitches over 21, and I'm doing this shit like a